Discover why owning just zero point 0.1 Bitcoin could be your ticket to financial freedom in the ever-evolving world of finance. Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin and exploring why owning even a fraction of this digital gold could be the smartest financial decision you make. There are seismic shifts happening in the financial landscape, and Bitcoin is at the heart of it all. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. The Bitcoin Halving. Picture this: a monumental event that occurs every 4 years, sending shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market. The Bitcoin Halving. Scheduled like clockwork, this phenomenon slashes the rate at which new Bitcoins are mined, effectively reducing the available supply and amplifying its scarcity. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, consider this. A significant portion of Bitcoin selling pressure comes from miners needing to cover their operational expenses, including electricity bills and equipment costs. With the halving, this pressure is cut in half, leading to a drastic reduction in the rate at which new Bitcoins enter circulation. The implications are profound. As the supply dwindles and demand remains steady, or even increases, Bitcoin's value is poised to skyrocket. It's simple economics: limited supply, increasing demand equals higher prices. But the effects of the halving extend far beyond price fluctuations. This event triggers a domino effect, influencing investor sentiment, market dynamics, and the broader adoption of Bitcoin as a legitimate store of value. In essence, the Bitcoin halving isn't just a milestone in the cryptocurrency world, it's a catalyst for change, propelling Bitcoin into the spotlight as a formidable asset class and reshaping the future of finance as we know it. Spot Bitcoin ETF. Enter the spotlight. The eagerly awaited Spot Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund ETF, poised to revolutionize the landscape of traditional finance. Unlike other ETFs tied to inflationary assets like real estate or gold, the Spot Bitcoin ETF offers something truly revolutionary: a direct gateway for institutional investors to pour capital into the world of Bitcoin. Think of it as a bridge between the traditional financial markets and the burgeoning crypto space. With the Spot Bitcoin ETF, investors gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movements without the complexities of owning and securing digital assets themselves. This development opens the floodgates for institutional capital, paving the way for massive inflows into Bitcoin. As Wall Street embraces this new asset class, the implications are staggering. Bitcoin, once dismissed as a speculative curiosity, is now being recognized as a legitimate store of value and an essential component of any diversified investment portfolio. The Spot Bitcoin ETF represents a seismic shift in the financial landscape, one that promises to accelerate Bitcoin's adoption and solidify its position as a cornerstone of the global economy. FASB accounting changes. Prepare for a paradigm shift in corporate finance as the Financial Accounting Standards Board, FASB, rolls out groundbreaking changes. These revisions, set to take effect imminently, will compel corporations to reassess their asset allocation strategies in a profound way. At the heart of these changes lies the recognition of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. With fair value accounting principles coming into play, corporations will be forced to acknowledge Bitcoin's intrinsic value and its potential to reshape the financial landscape. This seismic shift goes beyond mere compliance. It signals a fundamental reevaluation of traditional investment paradigms. No longer relegated to the fringes of finance, Bitcoin emerges as a viable alternative to conventional assets like cash and bonds. As corporations grapple with these accounting changes, a tectonic shift in asset allocation is inevitable. Bitcoin, with its finite supply and decentralized nature, offers a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, a digital safe haven in turbulent economic times. In essence, the FASB accounting changes mark a pivotal moment in Bitcoin's journey to mainstream acceptance, laying the groundwork for widespread adoption and integration into the global financial ecosystem. Insight from Michael Saylor. Enter Michael Saylor, the visionary CEO of MicroStrategy and a prominent figure in the world of Bitcoin. With unwavering conviction, Saylor offers invaluable insights into the future of finance and the transformative power of Bitcoin. In a recent interview, Saylor articulated Bitcoin's unparalleled qualities as a scarce, non-inflationary asset, setting it apart from traditional investments. He emphasized 3 key investment approaches: direct Bitcoin ownership, investment in a spot Bitcoin ETF, or innovative strategies like those employed by MicroStrategy. Saylor's approach transcends conventional wisdom, advocating for a proactive stance towards Bitcoin as a means of preserving and growing wealth. By leveraging MicroStrategy's balance sheet and pioneering financial instruments, Saylor demonstrates how companies can embrace Bitcoin as a strategic asset, unlocking new avenues for value creation. With his bold vision and strategic foresight, Saylor exemplifies the spirit of innovation driving Bitcoin's ascent. His insights serve as a guiding light for investors navigating the ever-changing landscape of finance, illuminating the path towards a future where Bitcoin reigns supreme as the ultimate store of value. MicroStrategy's approach. MicroStrategy, under the visionary leadership of Michael Saylor, has pioneered a revolutionary approach to Bitcoin investment that challenges traditional paradigms. Unlike conventional ETFs, MicroStrategy operates as a dynamic investment vehicle, leveraging its balance sheet and innovative financial instruments to maximize returns for shareholders. At the core of MicroStrategy's strategy is the strategic deployment of debt financing at low interest rates to acquire Bitcoin. By issuing bonds and leveraging its operational cash flows, MicroStrategy effectively amplifies its exposure to Bitcoin without diluting shareholder value or charging exorbitant fees. This approach offers investors a unique opportunity to participate in Bitcoin's potential upside while mitigating risks associated with direct ownership. Moreover, MicroStrategy's proactive stance towards Bitcoin underscores its commitment to unlocking long-term value for shareholders, setting a new standard for corporate treasury management in the digital age. In essence, MicroStrategy's approach transcends traditional investment models, offering a blueprint for companies looking to embrace Bitcoin as a strategic asset. By harnessing the power of innovative financing and visionary leadership, MicroStrategy paves the way for a future where Bitcoin plays a central role in corporate finance and wealth preservation. The future of Bitcoin. As Bitcoin continues to evolve, propelled by key catalysts and visionary leaders like Michael Saylor, its future appears brighter than ever. The convergence of the Bitcoin halving, the advent of spot Bitcoin ETFs, and transformative FASB accounting changes signal a seismic shift in the financial landscape. Bitcoin, once a niche asset, is emerging as a global force, challenging traditional notions of value and investment. With Michael Saylor's insights guiding the way, the future of Bitcoin extends beyond price predictions. It represents a fundamental reshaping of finance, where digital scarcity and decentralized principles redefine how we store and grow wealth. As institutional interest surges and innovative investment models, like MicroStrategy's, gain traction, Bitcoin is poised to become a cornerstone of diversified portfolios. The stage is set for a future where Bitcoin not only withstands market turbulence, but emerges as a beacon of financial resilience and sovereignty. So why do you need to own just 0.1 Bitcoin? Because in a world where traditional assets are losing their appeal, Bitcoin stands out as a beacon of financial sovereignty. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of crypto, now is the time to take action. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be part of the future of finance. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more informative content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy holding.